Dear all, I am Muruganandam, working as Assistant Professor in Commerce. Will taught you all the basic concepts and terms used in financial markets. Being you are commerce and management students, find it very useful. So, in our first topic is Securities and Exchange Board of India. Legally, SEBI came into existence in 1988. It was made operational and effective from 1992. The main functions of SEBI are as follows. Subject to the provision of this ordinance, it is the duty of the board to protect the interest of investors in securities, regulating the business in stock exchanges and any other securities markets, registering and regulating the working of stockbrokers, sub-brokers, share transfer agents, bankers to an issue, trustees of trust deed, registrars, merchant bankers, underwriters, portfolio managers, so who may be associated with securities markets in any manner. So, promoting and regulating self-regulatory organizations, prohibiting fraudulent and unfair trade practices relating to securities markets, promoting investor education and training of intermediaries of securities market, prohibiting inside trader in securities, regulating substantial acquisition of shares and takeover of companies, calling for information form, undertaking inspection, conducting inquiries and audits of the stock exchanges and intermediaries in the securities market, levying fees or other charges for carrying out the purposes of this section, conducting research for the above purposes, what we have seen in the previous, performing other such functions as may be prescribed, promoting fair trade practices and code of conduct for all SROs. So, these are the main functions of SEBI. So, next, powers with SEBI. What are the powers holding with SEBI? The SEBI has the power to call periodical returns from recognized stock exchanges. It may call any information or explanation from recognized stock exchanges. It can direct enquiries to be made in relation to affairs of the stock exchanges. The public companies are compelled by SEBI for listing of securities. It can grant registration to market intermediaries. It can make rules about the manipulative practices, that is unfair trade practices, to control them. The SEBI Act was amended in October 2002. So, this entrusted SEBI with wide powers, including seizure of books and accounts, impose penalty limit to rupees 25 crores on inside trading. So SEBI has also been given a power to suspend the governors of the stock exchange. So these are the main powers of Securities Exchange Board of India.